In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unban your WhatsApp number in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open your internet browser and in the search bar, you need to type whatsapp.com. Click on search, scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see this option contact us. So click on it, click on this contact us option. Now scroll down. Here you will be required to fill out this form. So first enter the WhatsApp number that is blocked. Then enter your email address. Confirm your email address again. Now select the device on which you are using WhatsApp. I'll select Android. Again scroll down. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. Once you have written down your issue, all you have to do is to click on this next step option. And once you click on next step, within the next 48 hours, your number will be unbanned. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.